everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun video. I kind of wanted to film something, but I also didn't have a lot of time. So I was thinking of what I could film, and I think I'm going to film the 5-minute makeup challenge. This is for everybody who loves to sleep in, but also wants to put themselves together. So I'm going to do all my makeup in 5 minutes or less, if possible. Yeah, I'm really excited. I've seen a whole bunch of people do this video and it looks so hard, so I'm sure it's gonna be just as hard for me as well. Yeah, so let's get right into it. We're in the final days of my international giveaway, so if you want to enter, make sure to do that right away. I'll link it down below if you're interested. Also, if you are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and make sure you turn on post notifications. That way you get notified every time I post. I have a lot of anxiety right now for some reason. Alright, so go. Alright, put the foundation here and put very little. Oh, my forehead. I didn't get any on my forehead. I'm failing already. I'm peeling right now. My skin's not gonna look good, especially with how fast I'm doing all this. Concealer. I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the shade medium, and we'll put a little. We got no time for Beauty Blender in the morning. Brush it is. Oh my god, we're at a minute already. Oh god. Alright, no time for bouncing, just wipe. Just wipe. My hair is getting in the way. No. Oh god, I'm peeling so bad. My nose is not looking good right now. Let's set it. Set it, set it, set it. Almost at 2 minutes. Quick. Using some Laura Mercier Secret Brightening, translucent powder. I like the Secret Brightening powder better. Look, I'm still doing like a tutorial. Guys. Alright, my nose is breaking up real bad right now with the peeling and how fast I'm running. Bronzer. Hula bronzer. Did I like not get up here? Oh no, oh my god, we're at 2.5 minutes. How is that like possible right now? My hand's hurting. That wasn't bad. I usually don't wear blush on a regular day, but we'll put a little right now. A little dandelion by Benefit. Alright, for the eyes, Modern Renaissance. We're gonna pick up the shade Blonde Fresco and apply that right in my crease. We're at 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Alright, we're going to take more Blonde Fresco. Okay, we're going to take a little of Vermeer. We're going to take Beach Babe. We're going to take mascara. We're at 4 minutes and 1 second. That could be like the worst thing that ever happened to me. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Four minutes and 40 seconds. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Brow gel. And 4 minutes and 58 seconds. 5:01. Oh my god. Oh my god. I usually spray my face before mascara, and I did it right after. Look at my under eyes. Oh my god. So let's fix that. Alright, I got most of it off. So that was the 5-minute makeup challenge. I think I did pretty good. I usually don't do my eyebrows on an everyday basis. I usually just do brow gel. And I think my skin could look a little better only because I am peeling from getting sunburned. And I like just rubbed the foundation everywhere. So I think that's another reason why my nose doesn't look good. Or my forehead. I'm just peeling really bad. So makeup in general will do this. But honestly, I think this came out pretty good. And let me tell you, doing a full face of makeup in 5 minutes is not easy. So whoever can actually do it on a daily basis, I give you so much credit. But yeah, I wanted to try to get another video up for you guys before I leave. I'm going to North Carolina on Saturday. It is my niece's baptism and I'm the godmother, so I'm going Saturday to Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this fun, different video. Let me know if you want me to do any more challenges. A lot of people have been asking me to do a Q&A, so I'll let you guys I can't speak. I will let you guys know on my Instagram if I'm doing a Q&A and where to leave the questions. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you all in my next video.